Hello, the Global Thought YouTube followers. We are here with a new video. This content will serve as a real awakening call for some of you, and for others, it will be a light on the path to the future. You will find answers to questions you didn't even know you had. However, to do this, you must set aside your emotions, act like an adult, and face the reality of your life. This is a place where those who want to take control of their financial freedom in the future find inspiration. If you haven't joined us yet, you are missing out on a lot from the basics. Remember, those who are struggling financially often do not know the rules of making and keeping money. We have prepared the cheat sheet for you to solve this problem of making money. Here are 10 truths that those facing financial difficulties do not know about making money. Number 1, if you start a business, you won't pay taxes or you'll pay very little. The biggest secret of being a business owner is the tax advantage. While individual workers pay direct taxes on their income, companies first deduct all their expenses and then pay taxes on the remaining profit. Expenses for your business, such as travel, meals, and technological tools, are tax-deductible expenses. This is also why the wealthy put their luxury cars or private jets under their companies. These expenses are legal business costs that reduce the taxable income. Number 2, making money is not about working hard, it's about solving systems. Wealth comes not from physical strength, but from the ability to put the pieces together. Most people only know how to trade their time for money. However, true value lies in creating systems that automatically convert input into money. A person working at a sales counter is just a cog. The real winner is the boss who sets up the entire system from supply to distribution. When you establish your own system, you multiply the rewards of your labor. 3, you can't become rich unless you make money while you sleep. Your time is limited, and you can only work a certain number of hours each day. If your earnings are solely dependent on your physical presence, you will hit a wall in your income. Instead of being a money-making machine, you should build a machine that prints money for you. You need to take control of your time to understand that life is not just about paying bills and working. Passive income is the only way to get rich even while you sleep. It takes the same amount of effort to earn $50,000 as it does to earn $1 million. Many people expend enormous effort on low-yield jobs. However, the sales and persuasion process is similar. Selling a low-commission product requires almost the same effort as selling a high-value property. You should focus your efforts on solving the puzzles with bigger rewards. Focusing on the wrong target is a waste of your energy. By concentrating on high-reward opportunities, you can achieve greater wealth with the same effort. 5 number. Ideas are worthless without long-term implementation. Million-dollar ideas only gain their true value when they are brought to life and generate that money. Everyone can have great ideas, but an idea is just a multiplier. If your implementation capacity is 0, even the brightest idea will result in 0. Successful brands are often not the ones who come up with the first idea, but those who apply an existing idea with the best discipline and for the longest time. Success is measured by the quality of execution. 6, focus on increasing income instead of cutting costs. Spending your hours collecting coupons or finding cheap products is not understanding the value of time. You should dedicate the time you spend to save a few cents to improving yourself or to a job that will increase your income. There is a physical limit to cutting expenses. However, there is no limit to your potential earnings. Saving keeps you alive but does not make you rich. Wealth comes from increasing income. Number 7, $100 passive income is more valuable than a $1,000 earned income. Money from active work depends on your performance and health. Passive income, on the other hand, buys you freedom of time. A person earning $200,000 a year but chained to an office is less wealthy than someone with $40,000 in passive income who spends their entire day as they wish. Passive income is a freedom multiplier that allows you to live your life on your own terms. Eighth rule, more than 50% of your income should go to investments. You cannot achieve financial freedom by setting aside a very small portion of your income. To build real wealth, you should direct a large portion of your earnings, more than 50% if possible, towards investments. When your income increases, do not immediately inflate your lifestyle with luxury. First, ensure that your passive income covers your living expenses. Only then can you step out of the rat race and buy true freedom. 9. A wall is built brick by brick, and so is wealth. Wealth is not a stroke of luck that comes overnight. It is a disciplined accumulation process. Many people think that small amounts are useless, but taking small steps with dividend-paying assets is the foundation of wealth building. Instead of waiting, one must take action with the tools at hand. You should educate yourself and add another brick every day, taking advantage of the power of compound returns. 10 points. Holding on to money is harder than earning it. Almost everyone earns money at some point in their lives, but very few manage to keep that money. Spending more than you earn or depleting your savings for instant gratifications is the main cause of financial failure. True success is about how much of the money you earn you can keep and how you can grow it. If you can't control your spending habits, it doesn't matter how much you earn. Bonus item, you need at least 3 income streams to feel secure. Relying on a single salary is a financial risk. You should diversify your income sources to protect yourself from economic crises. You should generate cash flow from different channels such as rental income, stock dividends, side gigs, or digital assets. The more diverse your income streams are, the more unshakable your financial freedom becomes. We have a special recommendation for those who have stayed with us this far. Tracking shows you the way. You cannot improve anything you do not measure. Write down everything you want to improve in your life: your weight, your savings, your expenses. The moment you put it in writing, change begins. Your life will not improve on its own unless you become better. Learn more, waste less time, and constantly check the scoreboard. If this content sparked a light in your mind, share in the comments which point affected you the most. Don't forget to subscribe to our The Global Thought channel and join us on this journey. See you soon.